But now for the first time, I have people who are friends who are in the arranged marriage setup, which is blowing my mind. Blowing. मतलब मुझे लगता है कि बिल्कुल जिसको शादी करनी है वो करे, जिसको बच्चा करना है वो करे. तुम्हें प्यार हो गया, you found somebody that you think you can share a life with, you should. But to go and meet somebody and then deciding that you and I can share a bedroom and a bathroom and a kitchen, it blows my mind. And that is why I think so many of my friends, even though they are part of the arranged marriage market, वो लॉक नहीं कर पा रहे, क्योंकि मुझे लग रहा है कि फाइनली women also have a say ना in the matter. पहले तो राजा बेटा आते थे, तुम्हें चुन के चलो, अब हमारे घर रहने आ जाओ. So now the girls are finally just like, yo, I can't do this. Is there advice? Like, how to navigate getting married to a stranger?
I have insight on this, okay?
Please tell me.
Where I come from, a marriage is 100% a tick mark. और मैं इतनी sexually liberated नहीं थी. मैं sexually curious थी, और मेरा sexual curiosity मेरे sexual abuse की वजह से था. मैं कभी भी sexually इतनी liberated नहीं थी. I have not had a lot of boyfriends. I don't want to say, but it is true that Zorawar might just be the only man I have been with. So मेरे को insight इसमें सिर्फ इसलिए है because I was in like when I was the people I went to school with, they had pressures to get married. The people I went to college with, they are nowhere near getting married. So it's two sides of the coin for me. Okay, so अरेंज मैरिजेस के भी दो इनसाइट है. एक तो ये है कि बहुत रियल प्रेशर होता है आपकी फैमिली से, और नॉट एवरीबडी हैज द बैंडविड्थ टू फाइट देयर फैमिली.
The pressure, and especially the kind of families that, you know, like when I hear stories, मुझे तो यार, anyway, we'll talk about parents also in 1 second, but yeah, I know what you're saying. Exactly.
It is terrible for your self-worth. My own sister has gone through arranged marriage. So I am somebody who is extremely badtameez and rebellious with her parents. So I was able to fight it. But for my sister, for a lot of my friends, they couldn't fight it. They couldn't go against their parents. And if you're coming from families that are exceedingly strict, that are even more restrictive in the way they want you to be as a woman, can't do much.
Yeah.
So imagine for them, they have a pool of men that they have to choose from, and they can only, every day they have to like pray to their stars and star alignments कि आज जो लड़का हो ना वो थोड़ा सा ठीक हो. So you settle for, and it's the same as for, I would say the pressures for men are also there, but for women are even more grave. अरेंज मैरिज में तो दोनों साइड्स की लगती है, पर लड़कियों की थोड़ी ज्यादा लगती है क्योंकि वो लड़कियां हैं, बाय द वर्च्यू ऑफ जस्ट बीइंग अ वुमन
as usual
एंड XX क्रोमोसोम हमारी तो ज्यादा लगती है. ठीक है, तो लिटरली my friend has been like I have had friends who have chosen men who according to them were like 5 on 10, but they're like, this is the best we can get at this point, so that we don't end up with like and 2 on 10, not in terms of like rating, but in terms of what I want. You know, if I have a checklist of these are 10 things I want, this person has 5, I will go with them. So that is one pressure of marriage. And you know, I am not ever able to openly talk about this because somehow I'm surrounded by super liberated women around me who don't understand this concept. But I understand this because I've seen this, and I've seen how hard it could be on women. And especially if you are somebody who is conventionally not the marriage material market in terms of your body, looks, complexion, everything. If you're too overqualified, you know too much, you've traveled too much, all of these are hindrances when it comes to the market. So it really is up to that woman, how much can she fight. The other aspect of arranged marriages, which is very interesting, which I recently found out, is that people who are older and have tried every dating app that is there in the world, which is so now what is happening with them, that they've, let's say they've not found their soulmate, okay, but they do have a desire to get married. I have seen people who if they don't even want to get married, they want to have kids. Okay. वो भी है that somewhere they only want to get married to have kids. I have seen those scenarios also. So in that situation, or maybe on dating apps, they're not finding people who want to get married. So a lot of people are also using maybe modern arranged marriage setups and scenarios where they are trying to meet people who are like-minded, and maybe for them it doesn't get decided on the first meeting. They go on several meetings. Maybe there's a courtship for 2 months, but it is initiated by the desire to get. It's like you're meeting somebody who also
for that purpose.
which also eliminates all the distracting elements and fuckboys in the process. So I feel somewhere when you meet somebody with an intent to get married, all of the distractions get eliminated completely from it.
What is the, I mean, I know there's no right answer to this, but if you had to give me that, like, what should click for you to finally say yes? Because भाई कि 5 और 10 वाला ये best case scenario है.
मैं तो बोलना चाहूंगी मैरिज स्कैम है. And
सच्चाई.
person who's married, I will tell you, the only reason you want to get married is because you've seen your siblings and your parents and everybody get married. This idea is sold to you in Bollywood movies. This idea is sold to you by capitalistic campaigns, some of which even I do. I would like to tell you, marriage is a full scam. आपको कोई इंसान पसंद है तो आप उनके साथ रह लीजिए. उसके ऊपर गवर्नमेंट का ठप्पा, किसी का ठप्पा लगाने की जरूरत नहीं है. And it's also sort of it's all like the derivation of also it is from the fact that you don't want to feel lonely. A lot of people, like I used to feel super lonely, which is the reason I got married in the first place. I don't want to ever go back to that feeling. I was single for a decade, and I used to feel really lonely, and people are scared of that lonely feeling.
Yeah.
And you could be enough for yourself. Like if you say I am enough, but I could still be lonely. I could still want companionship. I could still want love. So which is the reason I don't despise people who are older and who go for an arranged marriage setup, because they just are looking for somebody who also maybe have the same feeling, and maybe once they come together they feel slightly better about it. So that's there for sure. But I mean, I'm in a marriage where nothing is marriage like. The reason is working for me. हम कोई भी ऐसे रीति रिवाज करते नहीं है, कुछ नहीं करते. So it's a very like bachelor pad setup where like कोई भी आता है, कोई भी जाता है, chilling होती है.
Yeah, we're not a regular couple, we're a cool couple.
I don't want to say that. But yeah, we don't quite subscribe to what like.
That's good.
I think people will think कि हमारी open marriage है, but ऐसा नहीं है. Yeah, I don't know. Can't tell.
Kusha is not sexually liberated. She has said on record. She's not cool enough to be in an open marriage. ये बहुत अलग-अलग answers तो उसने यही बताया है कि Kusha नहीं है open marriage के लिए, which is perfectly fine.